Hello, I'm Luke Lange, and the limited liability company I was assigned to was a web designer, and I chose to call my web designing company Websites LLC. Websites LLC is a website designing company that designs websites for other companies, and we make these websites eye appealing and really easy to use. The address I chose was 333 Hart Street, Vincennes, Indiana 47591. It's a completely made up address. I was going to go with 111 or 222, but both of those were houses and already taken. The slogan that I chose for Websites LLC is providing professional websites for all your websites. Kind of a play on words there. Um, for the costs, the advertising costs that I assumed was for the radio around 200 a month. I looked on Lamar's website, and a billboard would be about 6 grand for four of them. Came out to roughly 1,500 for one, and that was around the Evansville area. TV advertising around 3,000 a month. My monthly and overhead costs, I wanted to buy a building instead of rent one, so I figured that would be about around 100 grand because I didn't think that I needed that big of a building. So I thought 100 grand would suit the size I need. My utilities costs, water, electrical, gas, assume to be 600 to 1,000 a month, give or take. My internet would be 200 a month because since we are a web designing company, I would want the fastest, best internet we could get. My wages, I assume to be 3,000 a week, base, and I assume that for 5 employees at $15 an hour. And for trash like a dumpster, I assume that to be $70 a month, and my total expenses, that's adding up everything except for the building. I assume $22,470 a month. My competition around Vincennes is Free Space Marketing, Tower Bridge Technologies, Host Crew, TRD Creative, and LocalNet. All five of these are web designing companies, and they are all five based out of Vincennes, Indiana. And that is all I have for my limited liability company uh, project. Thank you.